Hi everyone, since this is going to be an online course, I thought for a first assignment it would be really helpful to show you how to send an email with an attachment because there are going to be assignments that you do that will require you to attach things to an email. So the first thing you would want to do is to log into your Steubenville City Schools Gmail. Please use your Steubenville City Schools account for all communication with me. I would appreciate that. If you want to start an email, you would go over top left here to compose. Go ahead and click on that. And right here, you would type in the address. The subject matter. So I will be emailing myself a syllabus. Now here's where you go to make an attachment. If you look down here in the very bottom where you have all of your little icons, you'll see this nifty little paper clip. Just like you would use a paper clip to attach a file, it's the same way you do it in this program. So we're going to go ahead and click on Attach Files. And I am going to go over, you have to have something saved on your computer before you can attach a file. So I'm looking for the file named syllabus, but I don't see it. I look over here and notice that I'm in my downloads, not my documents. Go to documents. If I type in syllabus here, still not coming up because I need to be in my chemistry. Let's say right here, the Alexander syllabus. I'm going to click open. Wait until you see it down here. And then if you have a message to type, you can type it. I'm just going to type thank you and click send. That will send your email with the attachment. Thank you very much.